Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is August the 27th and the chart of the day for today is Nvidia. 30 minutes time frame, you can consider this as a 1 hour chart. We can see right here, as always, we're going to explain the primary view as well as the alternate, as well as the general structure as educational purpose. Here we can see we finished with 4 in the intermediate degree right here at 168, and now the stock has started to rally higher. So we are within with 5 now in the blue here in the intermediate degree, and within with 5 we are ending with 1 of 5, right? As you know, with 5 subdivides into 5 waves, and this is the subdivision. This one in red is the subdivision of the 5 in blue. All right, so we already can count 5 waves up from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we should be ending with 1 very soon, and then we will get a 3 pullback to correct this entire rally from August 22nd. And then as long as it stays above 168, we can then continue to go higher again. So let's take a look at a couple of things here. Now, first of all, notice the 5 swing up from the 168. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that itself is favoring more upside because of the 5 swing up, as long as we don't break below 168. Now, secondly, notice that the arrow is only turning up in black, it's not green. And the reason for that is simply because we have not broken above that previous peak, which is the wave 3 in blue. Now, if I zoom out, then we can take a look at the larger degree, focusing on the 4 in blue here and focusing on the C in red. So here is the 4-hour time frame, and the full count is available in our member area, by the way. If you want to see all the full counts, there is a 14-day trial, only 99 cents for new members. You can use the link in the description of the video. All right, so here is the C and the 4, which is the same C and 4 right here. And that will mean this is the B, and then also that means the A is right here. So this wave 4, right, ended here as a 3 waves ABC, and we have not yet broken above the previous peak, which should be over here. All right. So in other words, as long as we have not broken above wave 3 here, what happens is that from technical point of view, there is always a possibility of what we call a double correction, which will look like this. This ABC is going to be called W, and this could be called X, and then we can go down in the Y leg to the next 100% extension area between 100% 161.8% to finish the wave 4, right? So until it breaks by wave 3, we can always have an alternate path of doing a double. But as long as we don't break below this 168, then we favor more upside. Also, because of the what looks like a 5 swing rally from there, again, that favors more upside overall above 168. Now, the other thing that you want to take a look at is, notice the pullback from the all-time high in the NVDA is only a 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3. You do not have any extension at all, like the typical 1.61 extension. You can see if you measure using the Fibonacci here, it bounced perfectly. More or less at the 100%, right? There's no extension to 1.618, so this can be counted as a 3 swings down, right? I mean, if you're tempted, can I call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? I think it's less likely because of no extension on the third leg, so you can consider this swing here as part of the same here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just the internal of the C leg down from here, C leg down, and this is AB and then C. So again, if I copy this ABC here, this is the C, and this is the B here, and that's the A, right? So a 3 swings down is itself telling you that NVDA still remains a bullish market, and most likely it's going to break to new all-time high again very soon. And if this is indeed a 5 waves, which is what it looks like in the shorter cycle, we should continue to see more upside above 168. Now we will have an earnings report, I believe, very soon in NVDA, so I think we might get further extension higher after the earnings, or maybe we can pull back first before we extend to the upside. Another option here, guys, from the very short term perspective, is that we could have ended 1 and 2 here in a very shallow 1 2. So you can adjust the count. Let's adjust it like this. Move 3 here, move 4 here, and move 5 here. So in this more aggressive count here, what happens is we're just going to continue to go higher. So we will not get any significant pullback. We have started with 3 of 5, and then we'll continue to go higher into the earnings report. The other thing that I want to talk about is the target, right? The minimum target usually for wave 5 is going to be 1.236 external retracement. So if this is the wave 3 in blue and this is the wave 4 in blue, so the minimum target is going to be 189, but it can go a lot higher than that. This is just the minimum target usually for wave 5. And if this is indeed only just the wave 1, then obviously you can get 3, 4, 5, which can easily go beyond 189. But the 189 is sort of the minimum target I will look at on this move higher in the NVDA right now. Okay, so that is the update for today. And if you want to get more updates, more chart of the day, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. And I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.